Hey there, my favorite real estate agent. I'm Drew Bain, and I'm on my way to your inspection now. Whether we've worked with each other 1,000 times or this is the very first time working with each other, just wanted to say thank you. And just tell you a little bit about me. I'm from Saudi Daisy. I'm a family man, I'm an autism dad, and I love good craft beer. So again, thank you for your referral. I look forward to seeing you soon.